for script writing for dubbing, no? And secret number one is to think like a script writer. Okay? Because when you translate a script of a movie, an anime, a video game, etc., you are basically a script writer and not a translator. Okay? Kaya nga po ang title po ng presentation ko is script writing for dubbing, no? Because the whole craft, the whole process of localizing a script, hindi lamang po siya simple language transfer. Okay? Tatandaan po natin, no, there's more to translating for dubbing than just converting I to ako, no? Or translating love to mahal, no? Mas malawak pa po or mas elaborate pa po yung proseso ng pagsusulat ng script or pagta-translate kapag nagta-translate kayo para sa dubbing. Pero kung ayaw niyo pong maniwala sa akin, iko-quote ko na lamang po si Voice Master. Ayan. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ng 2019, lumabas po yung na-publish po yung 6th edition, no, nung librong The Art of Voice Acting na sinulat po ni James Alberger, and si Sir Choi po contributed an entire chapter in this book about dubbing, no. So nagbigay po siya ng mga tips, sa mga best practices on dubbing. At sabi po niya dun sa libro, I refer to it as script writing and not translating. No, yan si Voice Master na nagsabi niyan. So it's script writing and not translating because I always want to emphasize that what we do in dubbing is adapting the script to our local language. No?